How to create a WeChat account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a WeChat account. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you've installed the latest version of WeChat. After you do that, simply open the app up. And now you will see two options. One is to log in, the other is to sign up. Now let's tap on sign up and now tap on sign up with our mobile. Now you can sign up using your Facebook too and with your Apple ID. For this video purposes, I'll be using my mobile phone. So tap on sign up with mobile. Now all you need to do is create your account. So simply create your account, type in your name, and after you type in your name, type in your phone number and set a password. After you've done both of those, all you need to do is tap on I accept the terms and conditions and tap on accept and continue. After you've done that, it will take some time to load, but you will need to agree to the privacy policy again. So you just tick on that and tap on next. After you agree to the terms and conditions, you will now need to verify that you are a human. So tap on start. And after you tap on start, you will need to go through a CAPTCHA. So go through that. Now you will need to use a security method for verification. Now you can either use your payment card or you can use a QR scan by another user. You can also verify and activate your Weixin Pay. After you verify using one of these methods, you will have created your WeChat account. And it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.